Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about gas solenoid valve for Garland part number 261589. The Garland part number 261589 gas solenoid valve is a gas shut-off valve designed to be used with Garland gas fryers. It is a normally closed, two-way, solenoid-operated valve that is used to control the flow of natural or propane gas. The valve has an inlet and outlet port and is designed to be installed between the gas supply line and the fryer. The valve is actuated by an electrical signal from the fryer's control system. When the signal is received, the solenoid opens, allowing gas to flow through the valve and into the fryer. When the signal stops, this part fixes the following symptoms. This gas solenoid valve is used to replace a faulty or malfunctioning valve in Garland equipment. It can help to fix issues such as the equipment not igniting, not staying lit, or not heating properly. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the gas supply to the appliance. 2. Disconnect the existing solenoid valve from the gas line. 3. Install the new Garland part number 261589 solenoid valve in its place, making sure that all connections are tight and secure. 4. Connect the electrical wiring to the solenoid valve, following the manufacturer's instructions. 5. Turn on the gas supply and test for leaks using a soapy water solution or a leak detector spray. If any leaks are detected, tighten all connections and test again until no leaks are present. 6. Once all connections have been, you can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.